Hi, good morning. This is Bitcoin Dadi from Dadi Cryptos. Sunday morning, California. Nice morning. In 60s, a little chilly. So let's see what's going on with the Bitcoin. Real quick, I'll do a quick video. You know my site. You've been here. If not, go ahead and get started with the cryptos. The way you do is just do the sign up button, and that should take you to the Coinbase page to get started. You can start in small increments as low as $100. Do the like button so you'll get my updates to your Facebook page. I do like once or twice a day updates. Okay. My contact information and some videos. So let's look at what's going on. This is the donate page in case you like what you see. So some news I want to cover today. So LedgerX has just started what is called as Bitcoin futures option, and it started a derivatives option called long-term equity anticipation securities. Okay, so if you do a little Google search, you'll get access to this. It is there on CoinDesk too. So, and it pegs the Bitcoin price at $10,000 by December. Okay, so that is the option it's giving. And about 4 weeks back, LedgerX did trades of $1 million in derivatives. Okay, so towards that futures contract that I just talked about. So I'll do some more research into this, but it seems like it's pegging the price of Bitcoin at 10K. So let's look at what else is going on. So this is the Bitcoin chart. We'll go into the live in a moment. So yesterday was kind of, it touched 7.8 or so, but it was in the small band between 7.8 and 7.7. Okay. The top cryptos earlier this morning. Ethereum did well to jump by about 6%. Ethereum Classic about 3%. The XMR, Monero about 2.5%, Zcash 2%, Litecoin 4%. Okay, so overall it was a positive green day yesterday. So the top 10, as you can see, the top 10 we have most of them in green except for Bitcoin Cash. Yesterday I covered this in detail. It is inverse to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is in green, then this is the sell-off here, and when this comes down a bit, then this seems to be going up. Seems like there's an inverse correlation between the two, at least for now. NEO was up, and I think there's a profit taking today. Rest are green, except I think Omisigo went up pretty significantly, and it's kind of, there's a little sell-off. Okay. And this is a coin market caps. Bitcoin gone up again, 120 billion, followed by Ethereum at 33 billion. Bitcoin Cash has come third with 20 billion. And this was all during that SegWit 2x time. It was way above in the lower end, but seems like with SegWit 2x it came back up. Ripple followed by Litecoin and Dash. Okay, so let's look at the live pricing for now. Give me a moment. So what we'll do is look at the live price right now. Bitcoin hovering around 7776. Seems like there was a low of 7740 about half an hour or so back, an hour back, from a earlier high of 7811. So I'm in 5-minute candle, and this is kind of what it looks like from last night, around 8,000, close to 8,000. So actually it's 78. Yesterday the highs was 7817. This is in GDEX, and it came down overnight to about 7710, and then back up right to 7805, and right now at 7777. Okay, so let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum yesterday went up substantially to 370, which is close to its all-time highs, I think, of 400. So then it came down, and it's still close to its all-time highs, which is, I think it was around this 380. So which is good for Ethereum. Yesterday it jumped about 10%. There's some news about Ethereum and futures. Maybe that's what caused this jump. Okay, and Litecoin was also in the news. It went up tremendously yesterday from 69 to 71, and back right now it's at 71.39. There is some news about Lightning and off-chain transfers. So there's some kind of an update that, or I would say pilot testing, to do some off-chain transfers between Bitcoin and Litecoin, and also there was news about its Lightning upgrade. So I think all the positive news was taking Litecoin to its newer highs. Okay, which is very positive news for Litecoin. So let's look at Bitcoin real-time pricing. So Bitcoin is at 4 sevens right now, 7777, and let's drill down a bit into. So this is where it is right now at 7760, and from a trending standpoint, these are daily candles. So 4 days back, this was the green candle. There is saturation as far as the selling goes, but buying, there is a lot of gap here, so it has some potential to go up based on what I see from these charts. So it may come down. I've been telling you guys that it may come down slightly. It's not coming down below 77, but if it comes down a bit till maybe till 75, then it will take off to the next run, which could be 8 and beyond. before there could be sell-off. Okay, so I think short term it seems like there will be a slight pullback, maybe till here 7.5 or so, before it goes up beyond 8, and then there could be a bigger pullback. Okay, so we'll cover that in the next few days, but for now that's kind of what it's looking like. Yesterday was a green candle. It came back up from 7664 to 7816, and today it is down from 7824 to about 7736. Okay, so it's playing in that 7740 range. So I think that's kind of where things are. In the 1 hour candle, it is playing in this band between, trading in this band between 7.8 to about 7.77, okay, most of the day. So this is where I think it is trying to, if you average it out, I think this is kind of where it is right now in the last 2 days, okay. So that's kind of where things are. I wanted to keep this brief. Again, so this is the site, daddycrypto.com. It's also on the Facebook page. Right, do the like button and you'll start getting, and the follow button, so you'll get all my updates. Okay, that's it for now. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Okay, thanks, and have a nice rest of your day.